Okay, good afternoon, students. My name is Mohammad Khair. I am a JEE Main Advanced Olympiad Mathematics teacher. I am right now teaching on ADCI from past 4 years. Along with JEE Advanced, JEE Main Olympiad, I also teach. Yeah. I also teach. फिर से बोल. Start करो फिर से शुरू कर. Along with JEE Main Advanced Olympiad, I also teach NDA at Anis Defense Career Academy, ADCI. So I had guessed 120 questions for 14th September 2025 NDA exams. So the guest question paper held on 8th September at Anis classes. Okay. So right now examination is going on at ADCI. I will give the explanation of 120 questions which I had guessed. So 20 क्वेश्चंस का मैं एक्सप्लेनेशन दूंगा जिसको मैंने गेस किया है और ये मोस्ट लाइकली है एनडीए के लिए 14 सितंबर को एग्जाम है। आज 8 तारीख है, आज से 6 के बाद एग्जाम है। बिना देर किए हुए क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं हम लोग। एक्सप्लेनेशंस। क्वेश्चन 1 इज कंसीडर ऑल रियल रूट ऑफ द इक्वेशन x raised to 4 minus 10x square plus 9 equal to 0. The sum of all absolute values of the root. Absolute value means magnitude of the roots I have to find. So this equation is biquadratic and reducible to quadratic. Biquadratic and reducible to quadratic. I will say this equation is quadratic in terms of x square. So I will split the middle term and find the factors. The factor will be after splitting x square minus 1 and x square minus 9 equal to 0. So x square minus 1 equal to 0 or x square minus 9 equal to 0. From here x equal to plus minus 1 or x equal to plus minus 3. Plus 1 magnitude is 1, minus 1 magnitude is 1, plus 3 magnitude is 3, minus 3 magnitude is plus 3. So sum of the root is magnitude, that is sum of the absolute values of the roots is 8. So option C is the correct option. Hold on for 1 minute. एक मिनट आओ ना, वो लिखने वाला एग्जाम प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है। हाँ ना, वो जो इसमें क्वेश्चन पेपर में जो टिक लगाना उसमें नहीं दिख रहा मुझे। अच्छा अच्छा, जरूर 1 मिनट। अच्छा ठीक है, ठीक। हाँ आ गया मैं, राइट, ओके। So C is the correct options. Now question number 2. Up to solve these inequalities, here inequality is x square minus 3x plus 2 greater than x square minus 3x plus 2. Is the following is correct? कोई भी पॉजिटिव नंबर के बराबर नहीं हो सकता अगर if x minus 3 plus 2 greater than 0, then x square minus 3x plus 2 greater than x square minus 3x plus 2. That's not possible. So the first case will not give the answer. Case number 2, if x square minus 3x plus 2 less than 0, then minus of x square minus 3x plus 2 greater than x square minus 3 plus 2. Any positive number is more than negative number. That's correct. Okay. So case 2 will give the answer. So x square minus 3x plus 2 less than 0. Factor of this is x minus 1, x minus 2. I will draw the sign scheme. 1 comma 2 here positive. This is negative, this is positive. The solution will lie between 1 to 2. Solution will lie between 1 to 2. So here C is also the correct answer. Now, question number 3. Question number 3, f of x plus, suppose that this is the format of a f of x plus b time f of c by x equal to dx plus e, or any functional value. Suppose that here function value is gx, right? So put x in place of x, put c by x. So you will find a c by x b f of x g c by x. Solve for f of x. This is the general theory behind these questions. Very important questions. Question number 3 is very important for NDA. Very, very important. This format, in fact. So here question is f of x 3 times f of 24 upon x for x, put in place of x 24 by x. So you will find 24 by x plus 3 times f of x and 4 into 24 upon x. I have to find f of x here. So this is the first equation, this is the second equation. Second equation will multiply by 3 and subtract the first equation. So second equation multiplying 3, so 3 is 9 f of x. 3 times f of, I am solving for f of x. 3 is 9, 3, 24 upon x, and 4 is 12, 24 upon x. And here 3 times f of x, sorry, f of x only one time, 3 times f of 24 upon x equal 4x. I am subtracting these two. So these two will be cancelled. So 8 f of x is equal to 12 into 24 upon x minus f of x. From here I will find f of 3 plus f of 8 and will get final answer as 11. So A is the correct answer for question number 3. Right? Now question number 4. I have to solve. Interval that is x and y is variable. So x belongs minus 1 to 1 and y belongs minus 1 to 1. Are the relations. So for reflexive, symmetric and transitive, I will use this method. Let I take x comma x belongs to relation. I have to see whether the given condition is true or not. The given condition is mod x plus y less than 2. So mod of x in place of y I will put x because I have taken point x comma y as x comma x. So this is mod x less than 1 minus 1 to 1 true. The given condition is minus 1 to 1. So transitive, sorry, here reflexive. Case number 2. Case number 2, if x comma y belongs to relation, then the given condition is x plus y less than 2. So we can write it as y plus x belongs relation less than 2. So y comma x belongs relation. So x comma belongs to relation, y comma x belongs to relation. So true, symmetric. This is symmetric relation. Number 4, sorry, case number 3. If x comma y belongs to relation, that is mod x plus y less than 2, mod y comma z belongs to relation. So mod y plus z less than 2. So from here, from first case I will write minus 2 less than x plus y less than 2. And for second case minus 2 less than y plus z less than 2. I will add this to minus 4 less than x plus z plus 2y 4. I will subtract minus 2y from both sides. So minus 2y x plus z minus 2y. Y is minus 1 to 1. So I will multiply with 2. So 2y minus 2 less than 2y less than 2. Right? So when I will subtract 2y, it will be minus 2 less than x plus z and less than 4 minus 2 less than 2. So this is mod of x plus y less than 2 sorry, a mod x plus z. So x comma z belongs relation that is transitive. That is transitive. So the same relation is reflexive, symmetric, transitive. So the final answer is equivalence relation for 4 question number. Now question number 5. I have to find number of solution for these equations. X minus 4 mod x minus a. I will give you this is the best questions. This is very, very important also. Fourth is also very, very important. Third is important. Fourth is very, very important. Fifth is very, very important for NDA. So the theory behind this is when y is x minus a and plus x minus b, I will take 3 cases. Let I take here case number 1. I will take x less than 1. Case number 2, I will take more than, let here a is less than b. So a less than x less than b, and case third I will use x greater than equal to b. So here let I will solve one point here. Y equal to mod x minus a, I will use here plus, not minus, x minus b. So a less than b. The first case I will, when I will use x less than a, then it will be minus 2x plus a plus b. When you will use more than a, x, and less than b, x. So here you will find minus plus x minus a and minus. So x will cancel. So this will be b minus a. In the final case, x greater than b, when I will use x greater than, so it will be 2x minus a minus b. So you can use like that. Suppose the a is here, a is also positive, b is also positive. Yeah, height, this height is b minus a. मोबाइल यूज करो, मोबाइल यूज करके पढ़ो, ये ज्वाइन करो, लेक्चर ज्वाइन करो. Height is b minus a. One straight line will go this way. One straight line will go this way. मोबाइल यूज करो, ये इसके लिंक है, मोबाइल लिंक मोहम्मद सुन का माचा. So b minus a, this is the graph, very, very important for I have shown you. So question number 5, let y equal to x minus 4 plus x minus 7. This is equal to 15. I will use 15 after drawing the graph. So in place of b I have 7, in place of a I have 4. So b is more than a. 7 minus 4 is 3. So height is 3. And one line will go this way. And one line will go this way. So certainly from the graph at 2 points, you can find height will be 15. So the number of solution will be 2. So here B is the correct option for question number 5th, right? If you know the theory behind this, you can solve within 1 minute. Otherwise, it will take time. Now, question number 6, I will use for question number 6, argument of log should be more than 0. It cannot be negative or 0. And inside log, it should be more than greater than equal to 0. From first x square minus 5x less than 0. 0 can be written as log 1 base 10. More than base is more than 1. So inequality will not change. 5x square 5x minus x square upon 4 greater than equal to 1. X will common. X minus 5 less than 0. Here x square minus 5x plus 4 less than equal to 0. The factor will be x minus 1, x minus 4. For x into x minus 5, sign scheme will be like that. And 1 to 4. For x minus 1, x minus 4, sign scheme will be like that. For both, I have to take less than 0. So this will be the intersection point. 1 and 4 included in x minus 1, x minus 4. 1 and 4 is included in x into x minus 5. The final answer is x belongs 1 close, 4 close. So option number A is the correct option for question number 6. Question 7. Omega cube root of imaginary, that is imaginary. Cube root of unity imaginary because omega is not 1. So 1 plus omega raised to 7. A plus b omega. We know that 1 plus omega square, 1 plus omega plus omega square is 0. A second case omega 3 is 1, omega 3 is 1. So from 1 plus omega I can write minus omega square. From 1 plus omega square I can write 1 plus omega as minus omega square raised to 7 a plus b omega. So this will be omega raised to 14 minus, minus, and omega q is 1, it is periodic with power 3. So I will divide omega raised to, I will divide 14 by 3, remainder value 2. So minus omega square a plus b omega, minus omega square can be written as 1 plus omega again a plus b. Now we'll compare these two. A is 1, b is 1. To find the coordinate of AB, so this comma 1 comma 1. So here option is also correct. Question number 8. Up to find center radius. Let's see the answer. Sorry, theory z minus z1 upon z minus z2 k. If k equal to 1, perpendicular equation of straight line perpendicular bisector of z comma z1 comma z2. Equation of straight line perpendicular bisector of z1 and z2. If k not equal to 1, equation of circle. So here z minus 2 upon z minus 3. This is not equal to 1. Obviously, this will be a circle. So I have to find center and radius of the circle first. Let z is equal to x plus iota y. Hold on. So when you will put z x plus iota y, it will be x minus 2 whole square plus y square. I will do a square both sides. I will do a square both sides. So the square of 2 is 4. And this is x minus 3 whole square plus y square. So this is 3x square plus 3y square minus 6 4 ja 3 2 ja 6 6 4 ja minus 24 plus 4 minus 20x minus 20x 36 minus 4 is 32. So center is, I can write x square plus y square 20 by 3x 32 by 3 equal to 0. Here center minus b comma minus f. Center is 10 by 3 comma 0 and radius is g square 10 by 3 का square plus 0 square 32 by 3 multiply by 3 by 3 this. So are we 100 minus 96 4 square root of 4 is 2 by 3. Radius r is gamma and center is alpha comma beta. So have to find 3 times alpha plus beta plus gamma 10 by 3 plus 0 2 by 3. The final answer is 12. So for question number 8, option D is correct option. This is also a very good question. These are very, very important questions for NDA. Now question 9 is also important. Very, very. Method is extremely important. What is the method? Let's see. X equal to 1. Roots will be x equal to 1 comma omega square. Given equation x minus 1 to the whole q equal to 8. Sorry, this is plus. So I will take here x minus 1 by minus 2 to the whole cube equal to 1. In place of x, I have x minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 root is 1, other root is omega, and third root is omega square. So minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 is the 1 root. 1 minus 2 omega, 1 minus 2 omega square. So B is the correct answer for question number 9. Most likely questions. Now, very, very important. One more question. Question number 10. Very, very important. The theory behind this is Z plus B by Z equal to A. Mod Z max is A plus under root A square plus 4B upon 2. Remember this formula. That means very, very important for JE also and D also. Mean is minus A plus under root A square plus 4B upon 2. Very, very important for your NDA. I will say question number 10. Extremely important. I can use here minus also. Plus or Z plus or minus B by Z. So solution I will do question number 10. Here Z minus 4 by Z equal to 2. Have to find Z max. In place of A 2 plus max for maximum A square is 4 plus 4 into B is 4 by 2. 4 for the 16 plus 4 22 root 5 by 2 will be common cancel. 1 plus root 5 is the final answer. We have done in 1 minute this question. If you will solve with process, it will take 5 to 6 minutes. So you should not use process or method for this question in examination, especially for NDA. So option B is the correct option. Right? Now, L11, number of x1 plus x2, common or uncommon. I am taking both. So number of element of x1 plus x2. In fact, I should write like that. Number of x1 plus number of x2, the dot number of xn. In each set of xi, we have 10 element and we have 50 set of this type. So 10 into 50. Xi has 10 elements and total 50. So 500. Any problem? Now, let y1 plus y2, number of y2, have here n set. So yn, here x50. So let in this I have n element. The number of t is m elements. Let each element of t exactly 20 set of xi. Sorry. Each y has 5 elements. So here it will be 5n. I have n set. So 5n. Any problem? No. For t, I have taken m elements. Each element of t exactly 20 of xi. So 20m is equal to number of all element in x1 to x50. I have common and uncommon 500. Here common and uncommon is 20m. So m is 500 by 20, 25. Each element of t is exactly from 6 set. So 6m is equal to, this is 5n. 6 into 25, 5n, 5 5 so n is 30. So here D is the correct option, I hope. इधर आके देख, उधर से क्या देख रहा है, इसमें क्या देख रहा है, ऑप्शन क्या देख रहा है, देखना दीजिए, चला है. So now after 11, I will solve 12 question number. By binomial, it will take more time, I think, because we have to find the union, not find the divisibility. If derivative will ask, I will use binomial. Here I have to find union of the sets. So I will generate x by putting n equal to 1, 2, 3 natural number. So I'll put n equal to 1. So this will be 0. We'll put n equal to 2. So 4 for the 16. Sorry, n 4 for the 16 minus 6 minus 1. So this is 9. You will put 3, 64. After 64, is a 9 minus 1, 10, that is 54. When I will use 4 for the 64, 256. And for the 12 minus 1, 13, it will take 3. 5, 6 minus 6 minus 3 is 3. 5 minus 1 is 4. 243 and so on. When I will generate y by putting n equal to 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first will be 0, second will 9, third will be 18, 27. So y has all the multiple of 9. X has the selected multiple of 9. So when I will do x union y, obviously I will get set y. So final answer D is the correct answer for question number 12. Now 13, set A has minus, solve, I will minus 2 to x plus 1 2. Then I will subtract this, so minus 1 from all. So minus x less than x 1. This is the set A. And B set, this will be x minus 1 less than equal minus 2 or x minus 1 greater than equal to 2. Then we add this. So x less than equal minus 1 or x greater than equal to 3. Union true. So I will start solving from option 1. So I have to subtract from B to A. So B, what is B? B is less than or equal to minus 1, greater than or equal to 3. This is the set B. Set A is minus 3 open to 1 open. When I will subtract this, so I will left with minus 1 to 1. It will subtract minus 1 because 1 is common in both. So it will be subtracted. So A is correct, so A cannot be the answer. I have to find the B minus A. When I will take B minus A, so B is downward. So it will be, how much it is deleted? More than 3 I will find. And minus 3 will not delete. So it will minus 3. So in between minus 3 to 3, we cannot find B minus A. So B minus A is except minus 3 to 3 and the given is R minus 3 minus. So B is the correct option. B is wrong. Right? For 13, B is right option because I have to find The answer will be R minus 3 open, 3 open. But here minus 3 open, 1 open. So extra included in B minus A. What is extra included? 1, 2, 3 is included extra. So this cannot be the final answer. Now question number 14. The least value of n for which the expansion integral binomial is. So let's say it will take R plus 1 of general term. Already taught you, all of you. So 3R plus 1. It will be NCR 7 raised to 1 by 3 and n minus r 1 by n minus r by 3 and 11 raised to r by 3, sorry, r by 12. This is 183. Sorry, number of term is 180. So I will write r first of all, and r will be less than equal to n and greater than equal to 0. This will r options. R will be LCM of 3 and 12. I already taught you, all of you. 3 comma 4 12. LCM is 12. So R will be 12K. So R equal to, I will start K from 0. So it will be 0, 12, 20, 4, 36, right? I have 188 terms. Sorry, 183 terms. Integer, right? So for 0, for 12, for 24, for 33, we will get the integer terms. So the first option is 0 and first element. Option difference is D, 12. Up to find number of term. What is number of term? Number of term is 183, right? So I will find nth term of this series, and then nth term will be the value of n, least value. The first term is 0 plus 183 minus 1. The common difference is 12, right? 182 into 12. How much it is? Tell me. 2 to the 4. 8 to the 16, 1. 3, 2, 8, 1, 4, 8, 1, 2, 1, 8, 4. 2, 1, 8, 4 is the final answer. B is the correct answer. B is the correct answer here. B is the correct answer, right? Now, question number 15. For f of x and g of x, which option is correct? So denominator cannot be 0. So mod x minus x greater than 0 and x minus mod x greater than 0. Mod x greater than x. These are very important question. I am writing all questions are very important. 11th is very important. 12th is very important. 14th is very important. Now 15th is very important. So first option here, when x greater than 0, x greater than x, same positive number cannot be greater than same positive. This is wrong option. When x less than 0, minus x is positive greater than x. This is right. So x less than 0, I have some domain here. When I will take x less than x greater than 0, same greater than same positive cannot be greater than same number. So this is not correct. If x less than 0, a negative number cannot be more than, well, this is all right, wrong option. So g of x has pi set and f of x has x less than 0. Now I will select the options. F of x has some domain, that's right, and g of x no domain, that's right. So A is the correct option here. A is the correct option here. Now 16 questions. F of x minus y equal to f of x for f of y. The solution of this functional equation you can directly write by memory. Already taught 10 functional equations which will ask in JEE or NDA. So this is the functional equation. Solution of this will be a raised to x. The given condition is f of 1, a raised to 1, and f of 1 is 0.5, that is 1 by 2. So a is 1 by 2. The f of x is 1 by 2 raised to x. Now I will use f of 2, f of 3 dot dot dot, f of 6. So 1 by 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 1 by 2 raised to 6. Number of term is 5 here because it start from 2, right? The first term is 1 by 2 whole square minus the common difference is common ratio is 1 by 2 raised to number of term is 5 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 square. So 31 upon 32. And this is 1 by 2 here. 1 by 2 100 to cancel. So the final answer is 61 up 31 upon 64. 31 upon 64. D is the correct answer here. For 16, D is the correct answer. Now, question number 17. I will use Venn diagram. Venn diagram will be efficient for solving set questions. So, English is one set, Hindi is another set, Sanskrit is another. Let only Hindi is X. Sorry, only English, only Hindi, only Sanskrit is Z. X, Y, Z. Let P is English and Hindi only. Q Hindi and Sanskrit. R and let T is the intersection of all three. So here, what is given? 240 student is the total students right now I have. I will not assume this is the union, but for 60 passed in only one subject. 60 passed in only one subject. So this will be X plus Y plus Z. X is only one English, Y is only Hindi, Z is only Sanskrit. So this is the 60. And 110 passed in only two subjects. So P plus Q plus R. P Hindi and English only. Q is Hindi and Sanskrit only. R is English and Sanskrit only. This is 110. Right? 10 passed in none of these. That is 240. So 230 passed at least one subject. 230 passed at least one subject because I have to subtract 10. 10 has not passed in any examinations. What do I have to find? All the three. I have to find the T. So I can write the union. The union will be all pass, at least one pass. Union is 230. The union will be x plus y plus z, at least one. So that only one. P plus Q plus R, only two. And all three T. 230. X plus y plus z is 60. 110 plus T. T is 230 minus 170. The final answer is 60. The student who passed in all the three subjects is 60 students. Option A should be the correct option. That's right. Okay. Eighteenth. Summation R from 0 to N, 2 raised to R, NCR. CNR means NCR. I will expand this when I'll put 0, 2 raised to 0, NC0, 2 raised to 1, NC1, 2 raised to 2, NC2, plus dot, 2 raised to N, NCN. Already explain one terms. 1 plus x raised to n is NC0 into x raised to 0, NC1 into x, NC2 into x square, NCN into x raised to n. Put x equal to 1, 2, sorry. Put x equal to 2, 2 you will get the desired result. One plus 2 raised to n. Here you get 2 raised to 0 into NC0. In place of x, I'll put 2 raised to 1 into NC1. 2 raised to 2 into NC2 plus dot. 2 raised to n into NCN. The final answer is 3 raised to n. D is the correct answer for, sorry, B is the, sorry. B is the correct answer, 3 raised to n. 19th, you have to learn these questions, that is, you have to memorize these questions. The answer will be 0. I will write the equation, you have to solve it, okay? If will here P times of pth term, Q times of qth term. So we'll use here, let A is the first term, D, common difference. Question number 19. So A plus E minus 1 into D Q, A plus Q minus 1 into D. Then here you can find A plus P plus Q minus 1 into D equal to 0. This is your T plus PQ equal to 0. Right? 19th, you have to simplify the steps. It will take 1 to 2 steps to simplify. Question number 20. What is the minimum value of this? This is also very important questions. 19 is also very important. 17 is also very important. 16 is also very important. 18th is also very important. Your x square plus 2x plus 11. I will not use calculus to find the minimum. I will use algebra. So I will complete the square. X square plus 2x plus 1 plus 10. So it will be x plus 1 to the whole square plus 10. The minimum value of x plus 1, we will get minimum fx, f minimum, f of 1x minimum is 0. So when you will put 0, x plus 1 to the whole square, you will get log 10 base 10, that's 1 is the final answer. So here B is the correct answer. B is the correct answer for 20. 21. First of all, find the range of these equations. This is a trigonometry, and trigonometry combined with sequence and series. And this is a very good questions also for your NDA. So what will be the, you know the format, A cos x plus B sin x, maximum is under root A square plus B square, minimum is minus of under root A square plus B square. There is theory behind this. So sin 3x plus cos, maximum is in place of A, I have 1, in place of B, I have 1. So 1 square plus 1 square root is root 2 minus root 2 is minimum. When denominator is minimum, we will get maximum. F max, denominator minimum is 2 minus root 2. And maximum when I will get denominator is minimum. A minimum I will get when denominator is maximum. Denominator maximum is 2 plus root 2. So alpha is, A is minimum, sorry. A is minimum, B is maximum. Here alpha and beta respectively aim, so I have add alpha A plus B by 2 So 2 plus 2, 4. 4 upon 2 to the 4. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 by 2. So you will find alpha is 1. Beta, the square root of AB. So what is the square root? Under root 1 by 2 plus root 2 and 1 minus 2 minus root 2. A square minus 4 minus 2 is 1 by 2. So beta is 1 by root 2. I have to find alpha by beta. Alpha by beta is root 2. The final answer. For 21, B is the correct answer. For 22, I will not solve, but I will write the methods only. You have to simplify. Let A first term D common difference. So mth term is A plus m minus 1 into D is 1 by n. Nth term A plus n minus 1 into D, that is 1 by m. In Tm and Tn, when Tm is 1 by n and Tn is 1 by m for an AP, you have to remember A and D both are equal to 1 upon m into n. Understood my point? On solving, very important. This is very important. I repeat, this is very important. 22 number. So both are equal. Subtraction will be 0. The final answer for 22. Right? Important. 22. So you have to learn the results of 22nd. When mth term is 1 by n and nth term is 1 by m, when you will solve for first term and common difference, you will get both are equal and equal to 1 by mn. 1 by mn. I repeat, both are equal to 1 by mn. Very important. I repeat. Question number 23. The equation of plane passing through the. Suppose that one plane is like that. Second plane is like that. The plane passing through the line and intersection of these two planes. First plane is P1, second plane is P2. P1 0, P2 0. So P equal to P1 plus lambda P2 equal to 0, or P2 plus lambda P1 equal to 0. So the equation of plane passing through the intersection of the plane. So here first plane is 2x plus y plus 2z minus 9 lambda times. Second plane is 4x minus 5y minus 4z. 4x minus 5y minus 4z minus 1 equal to 0. Put the point on this plane, find the lambda. So we will put the point on this plane 6 plus 2 plus 2 minus 9. And 4 3 are 12, 5 2 are 10, 4 1 are 4. Lambda equal to I have 1 by 3. Ten plus for 14 minus 1 is 15 minus here 6 plus 2 plus 2 10. 10 minus 3 1 and 15 minus 3 ja lambda will 3 ja. When I'll put lambda in this equation, you will get what? You will get the results. A is the final results. On solving, put lambda, you will get the result. (24). Here again, this is the perpendicular bisector. I already taught you the theory behind this. Z minus 2 iota is 1. It is the perpendicular bisector equations. So I will draw first the equation of perpendicular bisector. Z equal to Z1 equal to iota. So iota is here 0, 1. Z2 is minus 2 iota. A space between is 2 is 3. Half is 3 by 2. So this will be the line of intersections, perpendicular bisectors. And this will be minus iota by 2. Right? Mod Z equal to 5 by 2. So this is the circle origin at, center at origin, and the point on perpendicular bisector is Z here. And this point will be, the length will be of this radius will be 5 by 2. This length is 1 by 2. So I can find Z. 5 by 2 square is 25 by 4 minus 1 by 4 according to Pythagoras theorem. 6. So 6 minus iota by 2 is Z. So mod of 6 minus iota by 2 Z plus 3 iota. 6 minus 3x minus 5 plus 5 by 2 iota. So this is 36 plus 25 by 4. Right? Hold on for a minute. 1 minute. Yeah, right. I'm correct, absolutely right. 1 by 2 is 1 by 4 square. Sorry, I have to take the square root here. So this will be a square root. This will be a square root. So this will be 6. Here 49 by 4, the answer will be 7 by 2. So for 24, the option is B. For 24, option is B. Now question number 25. H be the hyperbola whose foci are this. Distance between the foci is 2AE and the one point is 1 plus root 2, another point is 1 minus 2 root 2. So it will be 2 root 2, 2a. Here at a, I have the points 1 plus root 2 and minus a, I have 1 minus root 2. So subtraction 2 times a will be 2 root 2. And here e is root 2. So a into root 2 equal root 2. So a is 1. Up to find the latest return 2ba square upon a. I will find b. What will the b? You have to see b square equal to a square e square minus 1. A square is 1, b square is 2. So this is the rectangular hyperbola. E is root 2. Rectangular hyperbola. So a equal to b. Obviously, we will get 2 into 1 upon 1. The final answer is 2. For 25, the final answer is B. And answer is B. The length of the minor axis, the length of the minor axis of an ellipse is equal to minor axis length is 2b of ellipse. The length of the minor axis of an ellipse is equal to 1/4 distance between the foci. Distance between the foci is 2 times AE. Right? Eccentricity of the ellipse. So 2 will be cancelled. B equal to 1/4 AE. Now for ellipse, B square is equal to A square 1 minus E square. So for B, I will put 1/16. The square of B is 1/16 A square E square. Well, A square 1 minus E square. A square will be cancelled. So this will be 17 upon 16. E square equal to 1. E will be always positive, that is 4 upon root 17. The final answer D is the correct answer for 26. D is the correct answer for 26. Question number 27. If the line of these and these are diameter, equation of circle. So 2 pi r is the circumference. The 10 pi r equal to 5. Solution of this diameter will be center. What is the solution? The solution will be 1 comma minus 1 for center, alpha 1 beta. So x minus 1 to the whole square, y plus 1 to the whole square, x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square equal to r square. Final solution will x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y minus 23 equal to 0. Here A is the correct answer for 28. For 29, two the tangents. Suppose this is the circle. So the common normal of a straight line and circle which passes through the center. Tangent at the point 2 comma 5. Tangent equation is 2x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. And center of the circle lies on x minus 2y equal to 4. Now we'll write the normal equation. Normal passes through the center. So this will y minus 5 equal to normal slope is tangent slope is 2. Normal slope is slope of this tangent slope y equal to 2x plus 1. So normal slope is minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 x minus 2. Solve for center. Solve for center. Solve the normal and the line passes through the right. Then you will get the radius. Then you will get the radius from center to 2.5, 2 comma 5. Right. Let's. This is the 2y minus 10 plus x minus 2 equal to 0. So x plus 2y minus 10 minus 2. Sorry, I will take minus this side, minus 1. So this is plus 8 plus x minus 2. So this is minus 12. Minus 4, 2, 8, 16. X is 8. X is 8. 2y is equal to 4. Y equal to 2. Center is 8 comma 2. The radius will be under root 8 minus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 5 to the whole square. Final answer is, what is it? 3 root 5. I hope the final calculation will be 3 root 5. 29. Now after 29, question number 30. In 30, there is a corrections in questions. So I will write the question, rewrite the questions. F of x is 6 plus 16 times cos x cos pi by 3 minus x pi by 3 plus x. Here not minus, here multiply sin 3x and again multiply cos 6x. Cos theta, cos 60 minus theta, cos 60 plus theta is 1 by 4. Cos 3 theta, cos 3x into sin 3x into cos 6x. 4 4 is 16. 2 sin theta, cos theta is sin 2 theta. So here 2 is the factor remain. So it will be sine 6 theta into cos 6 theta. 2 sin theta cos theta again. This will be sine 2 theta. Sine 12 theta. 12x. Alpha beta is the range. Alpha is the minimum value. Minimum of f is alpha. Sine 12x minimum is -1. So it will be 5. Beta is maximum value. Sine 12 maximum is 1. So it will be 7. Now alpha comma beta is the point on the line. Distance between these 2 points, the formula is mod. I will put the point A alpha, that is 3 into 5. B beta 4 into 7 plus 12 upon under root 3 square 4 square for 38. We will get final answer as 11. D is the correct option for 38. Everyone? One line is y equal to root 3x. So it will go like that. Y equal to minus 3 root 3x, it will go like that. This is y equal to root 3x. This line is y equal to minus root 3x. From this side, this will be 60 degree. From this side, this will be 60 degree. So this is the 60 degree, 30 plus 30. Right? At 1.2 comma 2, here, let's take the line will go vertical. It cannot be equilateral triangle because one angle will be formed 120, 60 plus 60. So it will go horizontal like that. Then 60, it will be 60, it will be 60. So line passes through the 2 comma 2 and parallel to x axis. So this is y equal to 2, y minus 2 is the final answer. So here B is the correct answer. Here B is the correct answer. Now 32 option question number. If the straight line is perpendicular to the line passing through this, if the straight line is perpendicular to the line passing through this and this, that's so simple. Slope will be, product of slope will be negative. So 70 beta minus 17, slope of the 2 points 7 comma 7 and 15 comma beta. So beta minus 17 and 15 minus 7. Here slope is 2 by 3. Sorry. Perpendicular product of slope is -1. So beta minus 17 by 8 into 2 by 3 -1, 2, 4 ja 8. Beta is 17 minus 12. That is 5. 32 for 32. Option D is the correct option. D is the 33. Image of this, I will find the image of this point in the line. So x minus 3 upon 1, y minus 5 minus 1 minus 2 times 3 minus 5, 3 minus 5 plus 1 upon 1 square plus 1 square, 2, 2, 2 cancel. Minus 1 is plus 1. X is 4. Five minus 1, y is also 4. And this will lie, this image will lie on the circle, which is option 4 will be satisfied. So for 33, option D is the option. For 34, A is the ortho center. Ortho center will be present by H. Centroid and circumcenter. Centroid is B, circumcenter is C. Minus 3 comma 5, 3 comma 3. AC is the diameter. I have to find the radius. So I have to find the half of AC. That is radius. So according to theory, circumcenter to the orthocenter to centroid is 2 part, and centroid to circumcenter is 1 part. When it will be 4 part, let's take middle point. Here this is 3 part, this is 1 part, this is 2 part. So this will be the middle of, this is the center. Center, right? So I have to find radius is equal to, here let's take E is the center, AE is the radius, and AE will be 3 part from 4 part of AB. So 3 by 4 under root from A to B, 3 minus 3 is plus 6 square, 3 minus 5 minus 2 square is plus 2 square, 3 by 2, 3 square is 9 plus 10. Finally 3 times under root 5 by 2. So C is the correct answer for 34. 35 is the very tricky questions. We will not use theory. Already taught you 1 plus 1 upon very high value raised to very high value equal to E. E is 2.71. So 1 plus 1 upon 10 raised to 10 raised to 100 is very high. That's called approximately infinity raised to infinity. This will be E, and E is 2.71. The lowest integer which is greater than this, so which is greater than 2.71 is 3. So here option A is the correct option for 35. I will use two way for this solving this question. Very good questions. These are all questions, very good questions, which can be asked in examinations. I'll tell you. In A, I have used lambda, so I will use characteristic equations. A minus lambda I determinant A minus lambda I determinant equal to 0. So 1 minus lambda 5 lambda 10 minus lambda 0. 1 minus lambda 10 minus lambda 5 lambda 0. So here lambda square minus 11 lambda plus 10 minus 5 lambda lambda square minus 16 lambda plus 10 equal to 0. A square 16 A 10I equal to 0. I will multiply with A inverse. A inverse is A minus 16 I 10 A inverse that's sorry, already lambda is involved in these equations, so I will use another variable. Variable name is let mu. So here 1 minus mu 10 mu 1 minus mu, 10 minus mu minus 5 lambda. That's right. No problem. 5 minus 0, 0. Lambda minus 0, 0. So this will be mu square minus 11 lambda, 11 mu plus 10. For mu, I will put a. So a square minus 11a plus 10 minus 5 lambda I. Multiply with a inverse. So a minus 11 I plus 10 a inverse five lambda a inverse. So from here we'll take common a inverse 10 minus 5 lambda minus common a minus 11 I a inverse is minus minus cancel 1 upon 5 lambda minus 10 a minus 11 upon 5 lambda minus 10 into I, and I have given a inverse is equal to alpha a plus beta I. From here alpha is 1 upon 5 lambda minus 10 and beta is minus 11 upon 5 lambda minus 10. Alpha plus beta is given equal to minus 2. Find from these equation alpha, beta, lambda and add a square of these. You will get 14 as the final answers. So this was little bit lengthy questions. Okay. So this will be the difficult questions in your exam. Question number 37. A vector, B vector, C vector same length. So when I will solve directly, it will take time. So I will start by checking the statements. Here A vector is I P I comma J is root 2. B vector is J comma K. Magnitude B is root 2. Is B vector. Let's find angle between these two. So A dot B is 1. Magnitude of A is root 2. Magnitude of B is root 2. Cos theta from theta here is 60 degree. Let C is, I am checking A, capital A, C is I K. Magnitude of C is root 2. So length are equal, no problem. Now A dot C is 1. A dot C is 1 and root 2 cos theta again 60 degree and B dot C, again you will get theta 60 degree. So A is the correct answer. Now I will solve for C is minus I cap 4j cap minus k cap by 3. Let's take magnitude C. Magnitude C is under root 1 square plus 16 plus 1 by 3. 18 is 9, 3 root 2 by 3. So magnitude is same. Now I will use A dot C. When I will A dot C, A dot C, here A is minus 1, B is 4 by 3, obviously 1, and here root 2, again you will get 60. According to the same methods, you will get B. B dot C is 60, so B is also correct. So 37 option C is the correct options, both A and B, right? Both A and now, what is the angle between the vector quantities maximum? A cross B magnitude plus root 3 A dot B magnitude. Magnitude of A cross B is sine theta mod a magnitude of root 3 cos theta, and A dot B magnitude A magnitude B will be common. Whole answer is acute angle, so I will not take modulus here. I will open the modulus. Right angle, this will be the maximum. So A cos theta plus B sin theta is the format. So under root A square plus B square 2, multiply with 2 divided by 2. So 2A magnitude B magnitude cos of theta cos root 3 by 2 is 30 degree, right? When theta minus 30 degree is 0, you will get the maximum. So theta is 30 degree. For 38, we will get B option is the correct option. Here option in correction in option, that is minus 1, cannot find. This option is 0 and D option is as it is, right? Minus 1 cannot find, 0 is the options. There is a correction in these questions. A cross B cross A. VTP I will use here. So A dot A is A square, B vector minus A dot B, A vector. A square is 3. Under root magnitude A under root 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square root 3. 3 square root 3 square is 3. Right? Magnitude A square 3B vector minus A dot B. What is A dot B? 1 minus 2 minus 1. 1 minus 2 minus 1. That is, hold on for a minute. Is A dot B I am using 1 dot 1, 2 dot minus 1, 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 4 minus 2. So plus 2 times A vector. So what is 3B? 3I cap, 6J cap, 3K cap. 2I cap multiplying A with 2 minus 2J cap plus 2K cap. So this will be 3 plus 2, 5I cap, 6 plus 6 minus 2 is 4, 4J cap, and minus 3 plus 2 is minus K cap. This is equal to alpha I cap, beta J cap, gamma K cap. Alpha is 5, beta is minus 4, gamma is minus 1. So alpha plus beta plus gamma is 0. So here option C is the correct option. Option C is the correct options. 41. What is the length of the projection of the vector? This on this. So magnitude of under root 2a square plus 3a square minus 2a square, dot product of these two. So 2 plus 6 minus 6. So 2 by under root 17, I hope, for 40 number. 2 and root B, 40 is B. Yeah, 40 is B. Right option. Then 41. Here, two variable xy connected with a binomial distribution with parameter this and this. 10. Then what is the value of y? So n is 10, p is 1 by 2, so q is also 1 by 2. Variance of x. NPQ. After one variance of y. Variance of y. N is 10, P is 1 by 2, Q is 1 by 2. Five by 2. Here I'll multiply with, so 2x minus 3y, 20x plus 16y. So this is 16 plus 3 is 19. 19y, that is 18x. Y is 18 by 19. So variance of y is 18 square upon 19 square. Now multiply with the Euler square is variance of x 124 upon 19 square, 5 by 2. Three 61. 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 2 2 ja 5 2 ja 10 1, 5 6 ja 30 plus 1, 31 3, 810. So here option A is the correct option for 41. For 41 is the correct answer. These are very important questions for your examinations. For regression line 1, slope is m1. m1 is minus 1 by 2. And regression line 2, m2 is minus 2 by 3. Let tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2 mod minus 1 2 plus 2 by 3, 1 minus minus plus 1 by 2 into 2 by 3. So this is 1 by 8. To find 488 tan 3 theta. 488 tan 3 theta is 3 tan theta minus tan q theta whole divided 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Put the value of tan, you will get tan theta, you will get 191 is the final answer after 2 to 3 steps calculations. Okay, very good questions. For 43, very good questions, important. If r of x comma y is r, then r of ax plus b comma cx plus d equal to mod of ca divided by ca into r of x comma y. So here correlation coefficient r of 3x plus 4 comma minus 3y plus 3. So mod of 3 into minus 3 and round 3 into minus 3 and earlier regression goes. This is minus R. So A is the correct answer here. For 44, three perfect dashes are all under the condition that no two dashes have the same phase. So the probability will be no condition has the same phase. So the sample space will be first dash has 6 options, second dash cannot be equal to the first. The second dash has 5 options, and the third dash has 4 options. This is the sample space. Now, what is the probability of, sorry, what is the probability that one of the phases shown in the is as? So first phase is as, this is one time already, no problem. So the second dash has only 5 options. One dash, so one, so one cannot be stored to the other phase, that other dash. So the other dash has 5 options and third dash has 4 options. And one can be shifted to the second position, third position. So I have this type 3. So 5, 4 into 4, 5 into 4 cancel. 3 to the 6. Final answer is 1/2. D is the correct answer here. Now 45. The occurrence of disease in the industry is worker 20%. The occurrence of disease in the industry in such that the worker have 20% chance of suffering from it. Disease suffer होने के P equal 20/100, that is 1/5. So it will not suffer from the disease 4/5. 6 worker selected and 4 will suffer from disease 6C4. Disease is P raised to 4. Not disease Q raised to 2. One distribution, so 6C2 here. Q is 4/5 raised to 2. 1/5 raised to 2. Sorry. Raised to 4. 6 into 5/2. 4 square. 5 raised to 6. After so many calculations, you will get 53 by sorry, what is the probability of 4 or more will suffer? 4 or more, not this. So I have to 6C2, 4 or more, 6C4. Suffer will be 1/5 raised to 4. Not suffer 6 is to 2 plus 4 or more than 4, 6C5. 1/5 raised to 5, 4/5, and 6C6. 1/5 raised to 5. Sorry, 6 raised to 1/5 raised to 6. When you solve these, you will get 53 upon 3,125. A is the correct answer. Solve it. This is for 4 option will get the digit. 2 3 ja, 4 4 ja 16 upon 5 raised to 5, that is 48 raised to 5 raised to 5. This is the 4% will get the disease. And then 5%, then 6%, all will be added, you will get 53 upon 3,125. Now 46. On A contain 2 white, 2 black. On B contain 3 white, 2 black. One ball is transferred from, so I have to two case. Case 1, let's probability 1. One ball is transferred from A to B, then a ball is drawn out of B, but the ball is white. So suppose for probability B, white ball is transferred. So here 1 white will remain, 2 black, here 4 white and 2 black. So P1 probability will be from 4 ball, I will select 1 ball. This is the sample space. From 2 white, I will select 1 white into. Then I will draw the white from black B. So from 6 ball, I will draw 1 and 4 ball, I will draw 1. So 2 by 4, 4 by 6, that is 4, 4 cancel, 1 by 3. Case 2, one black will transfer to B. So here 3 white as it is, and it will 3 black. So P2 will be, I am drawing from 4 ball, 1 ball, 2 black, 1 black, and then from 6 ball, I am drawing 1 ball. I have to draw white, 3 white. So 2 by 4 into 3 by 6. So 2 by 2, 3 by, so 1 by 4. This will added 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. 10 by 12 is the final answer B, 46. 46 is B, right? So this is the correct answer, correct way. "47. A fair coin is tossed till 2 head occur in succession. I have to toss 6 times only. What is the probability that is the number of tosses is less than 0? I have to toss 5 times. So suppose head occur, then I will stop, plus. Suppose first time tail occur, head occur, tail occur, then head occur, like that. Then tail occur, then again head occur. Then tail occur, then head occur. I have to toss only 5 times. So head. Now tail is also probability 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 4 times. 1 by 2, 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 5 times. 1 by 2 square. 1 by 2 power 3. 1 by 2 raised to 4. 1 by 2 raised to 5. So first is 1 by 2 square. Common ratio is 1 by 2. Number of term is 4. 1 minus 1 by 2. So here 1 by 2 into 16, that is 15 by 16. The final answer is 15 by 32. For 47, B is also the correct answer. B. Now question number 48. 4 digits number are formed by using the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repeating them. How many of them are divisible by 4? So I have 4 places. 1 and 2 will be divisible by, these two are fixed. So I have here one options, here one options. Now remaining I have here two option, here one option. So all will be multiply. So 2. In the second case, 1, 2, 2, 1 cannot be log, 1 can 1, 3, 3, 1, and 1, 5, 5, 1, not log, cannot be log. Now I will use 2, 5, 2, 3 or 3, 2. So 3, 2 will be log here. The divisible by 4. So here one option, one options. The remaining two options, two options. So totally multiply. I have two options. Then third option, 3, 2, 2, 5, 5, 2. I can use it 5, 2. 5 will be log, 2 will be log here. So 52 is divisible by 4. No problem. Right? So here one options, here two option, here one options. All will be multiply. You will get 2. The sum will be 6. जाके तैयारी कर कौन जाएगा अच्छे अच्छे क्वेश्चन है उसमें चलिए भी पिछले साल आगे पे बेरना पिछले बार ये निकला था जो पूरा तैयार कर अच्छे पेपर 35 लिखा क्या सिस्टम है ये कॉन्सेप्ट्स आने चाहिए 120 में से कितने जितने जनरल है वहां बता रहा हूं उसमें जनरल वाले हाँ सब बता रहा हूँ 48 option D is the correct options. Now for 49, in one direction I have M lines parallel, and then I have M lines parallel. So MC2 for one directions, another direction NC2 I will use. The number of parallelogram I will form. The number of parallelogram is 60. So here MC, M minus M into M minus 1 into N minus 1 upon 2 equals 60. So m minus 1 into n minus 1 into n, 4, 15 into 4, 3 into 5 into 4, 3 are 15. Now I will use consecutive digits. 3 into 4 and 4 into 5. If I will use m minus 1 equal to 3 and m equal to 4, from both I will get m equal to 4. So correct, no problem. If I'll get n minus 1 equal to 4 and n equal to 5, from both I will get n equal to 5. This will be here m into m minus 1 into n minus 1. I will compare, will get mn. So m is 4, n is 5, the sum will be m plus n is 9. So 449 D is the correct answer. Question number 50. P is root 3 by 2 comma 1 by 2 here minus 1 by 2. When you multiply PP dash, you will get unit matrix. Multiply PP dash, you will get unit matrix. So P is orthogonal matrix. P is orthogonal matrix, no problem. Q is given that PAP dash up to find P dash Q raised to 2 1 15 P. First I will solve for 2 raised to 2015. It will be Q dot 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 2015 times. Q is already PAP dash. Again Q is PAP dash. Again Q is PAP dash. PAP dash dot dot so on 0 1 times. When I will P dash orthogonal matrix is unit matrix, you will get P dash PI identity matrix. So A into identity is A into identity A. So this will be A square P dash here PA P dash PA dash. Very important questions for your NDA. This is times. Again I will use P dash P is units. So this will be PAQ P dash PA P dash times. So P A raised to 4 PA dash. So I have used Q into 4 times A raised to 4. So when I will use 2015 times, it will be PA raised to 2015 P dash. This is Q raised to 2 or 15. I will multiply with P dash Q 2 raised to 15 and P post multiply. Pre multiply, post multiply I'm using P dash P, A raised to 2 raised to 5, post multiply P. Here I, A raised to 215, I, A raised to 2015. So I have to find 2 raised, A raised to 2 raised to 15. A is 1101. When you will A square, you will get 1201. You will find A cube 1301. So I have to find A raised to 2015. It will be 121501. I will match the answer. C is the correct answer. C is the correct. Very, very important questions. This is the hardest questions for you in NDA. This will be. Now, 51. P is 100310931. When you find P square, I have to find P raised to 5. When you find P square, it will be 100, same triangular. But here 2 times 2 into 3. Here 9 into 3. And 1, 2 into 3, 0, 1. When you find PQ, 100. Next time 3 into 3 here. 3 multiply power 0. Here you have to, if you have 3, I have to add 3. 3 plus 3 is 6, sorry. You have to add. So 6 multiply 3 into 3, 1. P raised to 4, 1, 0, 0. 4 into 3, you will get here. 1, 0. And the third, first 3 add, then 3 add 6, then 4 add 10, then 5 add 15, right? So here 3 plus 3 add, so overall first 3 add, then sorry, from P to P square 3 add, P to PQ 6 add, P to P raised to 4, again 4 add extra, so 10 add, P raised to 5, so 5 extra add, so total will be 15 added here. So here P raised to 4 for P raised to 10 added, so 9 into 10, and here 4 into 3, 1. So ultimately I will get P raised to 5. 100, 5 into 3, 10. Now I will add, I will multiply with 15. So 15 into 9, 5 into 3, 1. This is the hardest questions. I think this is not much important, but important. Right? So 115, 00, 135, 15, 0, P raised to 5. Now I have to find Q is P raised to 5 plus I3. So Q is Q11 according to given condition Q12, Q13, Q21, Q22, Q23, Q31, Q32, Q33, P raised to 5 is add to I3, it will be 2, 0, 0, 15, 2, 0, 135, 15, sorry, here it should be 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now I have to find Q21. Q21 is 15. Now Q31 is 135. And the Q32 is again 15. The final answer Q21 plus Q31 and Q32. 15 plus 135 upon 15, that is 10 is the final answer. Is the correct answer in this question. Now for 52, x 1 minus x raised to 9 dx 0 to 1. I cannot solve directly, so I will use substitution method. Very important questions for NDA, very, very important. I will say you, this is the format of x into 1 minus x raised to m or n. Okay. What is the format of these questions? This is the format, very, very important for your NDA. Very, very important. Extremely important. Understood my point? So the question is 52. In place of n, I have 9. So put t is equal to 1 minus x here, the standard method. So dt minus dt equal to dx, you can find here. Tx, when you put x equal to 0, you will t get 1. We'll put x equal to 1, you will get t 0. So I equal to, for 0, I will put 1. For 1, I will put 0. From here, x is 1 minus t. Here, x is 1 minus t. And t raised to 9 minus dt. I will interchange the limits. So minus will be compensate. By changing the upper limit to lower limit to upper limit. And inside multiply. So 10 raised to 9 minus 10 raised to 10 dt. So 10 raised to 10 upon 10. 10 raised to 11 upon 11 raised to, sorry, limit 0 to 1. It will be 1 minus 1 by 10 minus 1 by 11. 1 upon 110 is the final answer. So here A is the correct answer. 53 is also important. Very, very important. First of all, I will draw the y equal to x line. Then I will draw y equal to xq line. Curve. Curve is also a line. Up to find area in the first quadrant. So I have to find this area. Intersection of these two is 1, 1. So here upper line is y equal to x. Lower line is y equal to x cube. Here 0 to 1. So area will be limit is 0 to 1. Upper curve or upper line minus lower line is the formula dx, first quadrant. When we will solve this by integration, You will get D is the correct option. B is the correct option. Okay, right? After solving, these are also very good questions. This is also very good question for your NDA. 2 pi when you will expand a plus b whole square, sin square plus cos square is 1, a plus mod sin 2x dx. Period of sin x is pi as mod sin x. Period of mod sin x is pi, and period of mod sin 2x is pi upon 2, that is pi by 2. So I will use 0 to 20 pi dx alone plus 0 to 20 pi mod sin 2x dx. We solve this 20 pi here and solve this. Period of this is pi by 2, so 40 into pi by 2 mod sin x. When period is t and 0 to n, f of x. Fx is periodic with period t, then n into 0 to t, f of x is the formula. Very, very important for NDA. So 40 will be take outside. 0 to pi by 2 mod sin 2x. Here 0 to pi by 2 sin 2x is always positive. So I will open this. Sorry, sin 2x. For 0 to pi by 2 sin 2x positive. Okay, right? This will be minus cos 2x upon 2 integration 0 to pi by 2. Minus will go outside. 2 will go outside. When I will put pi by 2 in place of x, I will get cos pi. Cos pi is minus 1. Minus cos 0 is 1. So 20 pi plus 40 into 1 minus minus plus. When I will take common 2, 20 pi plus 2. So D is the correct options for 54. Very, very good questions. Now 55 is also very good question. This model will be asked in your exam, obviously. So I is 3 to 6. Not I will write first formula. A to B f of x dx. You say King's law this. I will say shifting law. A to B f of x dx. So A to B, a plus b minus x dx. Same things. Now we'll solve the 55 question. 55th. So 55th is 6 3 under root x 9 minus x when you will get like that I is equal to a to b. I'm writing the satta. You will remember a to b f of x upon f of a plus b minus x plus f of x. When you get like that and use this property, I am written upside, that is f of a plus b minus x. You will get the final answer 1 by 2. B minus A is the final answer. Okay, right? This format will implement in 55. So the answer will be 1 by 2, 6 is B and A is 3, 3 by 2. So A is the correct answer for 55th. Method of 56 and 57 is very important, but this question will not ask in your examinations. The method of this question is very important. You will be revised 2 to 3 property at least by these questions. Okay. So 56 and 57 is very important questions according to the rule. This question will not directly ask. The rule will be asked. Okay, that's why I put in this paper. Zero to 2 f of x sin raised to 8x sin raised to 8x plus cos raised to 8x. Now, first of all, I will use the same property I will use upside. So 0 to 2 pi, this is the first equations. 2 pi plus 0 minus x is 2 pi minus x. Sin 2 pi minus x is sin x. So minus sin x, power is even, so it will be remain positive, sin raised to 8x. It remains sin raised to 8x, cos raised to 8x, dx. Add first and second. So 2i. So sin raised to 8x upon sin raised to 8x plus cos raised to common, x will common. So 2 pi will come outside. 0 to 2 pi sin raised to 8x sin raised to 8x cos raised to 8x dx. Now sin raised to 8x cos raised to 8x both are even functions. So property is period is pi. Period is pi. So 2 pi 2 to cancel here. I will take 2 from outside according to periodic functions. So 2 outside 2 pi. This will be 0 pi. I have used 0 to nt f of x dx n 0 to t f of x dx. So period is pi n plus add plus at the place of n I have 2. So 2 is outside from the limit. Very important method I am telling you. Now this is the equation number 3rd. Now I will use which method? I will use this method. 0 to a 0 to 2a f of x dx. This is the property I am writing. 0 to 2a f of x dx. This is 2 times 0 to a f of x dx. What? Why? If f of 2a minus x is f of x, right? So here the same rule will implement. Here f of pi minus x is f of x. Here f of pi minus x in place of 2a. In place of 2a I have pi. I repeat, in place of 2a I have pi. So f of pi minus x is f of x here. So I will write 0, 2 into in place of a I have pi by 2. Sin raised to 8x. Sin raised to 8x. Cos raised to 8x dx. We now will use this formula. So this will be 4 pi 0 to pi by 2. 2 will be outside according to this formula. Now again I will use the fifth rule, that is King's law. This formula I will use. This is the equation number one. The third, 4 pi sin pi by 2 is cos theta, so cos raised to 8 pi by 2. Here cos raised to 8 pi by 2. Cos is sin raised to 8. Sorry, here x, not pi by 2. X. This is equation number 4. Now I'll add 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4, I plus I is 2i. 4 pi common. I plus I, 4 pi. I plus I is common. It will be numerator denominator will be added. Numerator will added and will be cancelled 0 to pi by 2. And this will be dx. So 2 to the 4. I equal to 2 pi half of b minus a pi by 2 minus 0. So 2 pi into pi square, sorry, pi by 4. So it will be pi square by 2 will be cancelled. Pi square by 2. Is it? Hold on for a minute. I have taken 2 pi outside after adding these two. So will you get I pi? When pi will be outside, 2 pi, and it will be 2 will get outside. 2 to the 4 pi by 2. Cross pi by 2, cross pi by 2. 3. 4 pi will be added. Answer should be pi square. Come. What should the answer come? Pi square by 2 should become. Sorry, pi square should be 10. This step 2 pi minus x, right? No problem. 2 cancel. This person is to come 2 make my x minus x cancel 2 pi bar. I plus I is 2i, 2 to pi. 2 will come outside. So 2 pi. Common 2 pi bar 2r, right? No problem. Do the 4. 2 your 4, 4 pi by 2. Half of, no, this will be pi by 2. I plus I is 2i. टू आई 4 कॉमन के बाद I have 2i. 2i 4i 4 pi 0 to pi by 2 carrying dx 4 pi the additions will be pi by 2. Say I was writing wrong here. The addition is pi by 2 minus 0, sorry. So it will be perfect I square equal to pi square. So D is the correct option. So according to the formula, according to the methods, this is the very important questions. But this question will not directly ask in your examination for NDA. Understood? This question will not ask directly. For second, I will only do some steps which is required. I is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 x square x square cos x 1 plus pi raised to x 1 plus sin raised to sin square x raised to 1 plus e raised to sine x raised to 2023. For 25, this can be added. This can be asked for 2025. First, I will use the King's law. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 plus pi by 2 minus pi by 2 0 minus x square is x square. Here cos minus x is cos minus x is cos x. 1 pi raised to minus x. This is the equation number 1. And 1 plus sine minus x minus sine x square is positive. So sine square x. And 1 plus sine minus theta is minus sine theta, and odd power is minus. So this will be absolutely e raised to minus sine x raised to 2023 dx. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Pi raised to gaya upside into x square into cos x pi raised to x plus 1. And e raised to sin x raised to 2020 into 1 plus sin square x divided by e raised to sin x raised to 2023 plus 1 dx. When you will add first and second, you will get minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Pi raised to x plus 1, because denominator is same. X square cos x is common. Pi raised to x plus 1. And the next factors, e raised to sin x raised to 2023 plus 1. 1 plus sin square x divided by e raised to sin x raised to 2023 plus 1 dx common. This will be cancelled to each other. We will get 2 minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 and x square cos x and 1 plus sin square x dx. All are even functions, so this will be multiplied by the 2 times 0 to pi by 2 x square cos x plus 1 plus sin square x. No, after this there will be steps involved to integrate it. First part 0 to pi by 2 will be solved by integration by parts. Second part you will solve directly. A third part for sin square x I will write 1 minus cos 2x upon 2 dx. So the underlined by reading will be easy portions, and the underlined by the black ink is the little bit steps to calculate by parts. And when you solve this, you will get, on comparing integral, a is equal to what you will get, a equal to finally 3. So this will not ask directly, but the concept is very important. Formula is very important. That's why I put these questions in your examinations. Right? Very, very important questions. Now, 58 is very, very important questions. Itself very, very important questions for your NDA. Degree of an order of the differential equation of family of parabola whose axis x axis पे जब axis हो तो equation लिखेंगे y square 4ax minus alpha. Now this is the equation of parabola whose axis on the x axis. two arbitrary constant. I have to divide by, I have to differentiate 2 times. So this is the first equations. Now 2y dy by dx. This is 4a into 1. 2 cancel. So this is 2a. Now again differentiate by x. So this is dy by dx into dy by dx, multiply, and y d2y upon dx square, constant derivative is 0. So y d2y upon dx square plus dy by dx to the whole square. This is the differential equations. A parabola whose axis on the x-axis. So highest order is the order. So order is 2. Order of the this is in the polynomial form of differential coefficient. So degree of the differential coefficient, highest order differential coefficient, the degree. So degree is 1. First degree is asked, then order is asked. So degree is 1, order is 2. B is the correct options. Now question number 59. dy by dx xy minus 1 plus x minus 1. I will use variable separable method for this. Let's take here x common. So I take x common. So y plus 1. Then minus 1 common. 1 plus y. The factor is 1 plus y and x minus 1. So this will be dy by dx equal divided by 1 plus y, x minus y dx. Integrate these two, you will get ln 1 plus y. Will not use modulus because everything is in positive form. And this is x square by 2 minus x plus c. When y of 0 is 0, so x is 0, y is 0. So log 1, y is 0. 1 plus, this is 0 plus c. Log 1 is 0, c is 0. So log 1 plus y, x square 2 minus x. Power is e, so 1 plus y is e raised to x square 2 minus x. So y is minus 1 plus e raised to x square by 2 minus x. Have to find at y equal to 1. In option you can see I have to find 1 is, so minus 1 e raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2. So match the answers, you will get, I think, answer option A. Is it correct? Option A is the correct option. Understand point? Now 60. Limit x tends to x square f of 2 minus 4 times f of x minus 2. We will put f of 2, f of x at 2, you will get 0 by 0 form. What you will get? 0 by 0 form. So I can use L'Hopital law. So f of 2 is constant, so derivative of x square is 2x, f of 2 minus 4 times derivative of f of x, f dash x, and 1. I'll put the limit point 2 into 2. F of 2 is given. What is f of 2 is 4 minus 4 into f dash 2 is 1. So 4 to the 8 to the 16 minus 4, 12. 60 as the D is the correct answer. Now 61. Limit x tends to 0. 3x square plus 2 upon 7x square plus 2 whole raised to you know one formula that limit x tends to 0, 1 plus h raised to 1 by h is e. I will use the same formula for this question. Limit x tends to 0. I will use here add 4x square plus 2. So 7x square, 4x square plus 3x square is 7x square plus 2 and minus 4x square I have to subtract. One plus minus 4x square, 7x square plus 2. I have to use 1 upon h. In place of h, I will use minus 4x square upon 7x square plus 2. So this will be 7x square plus 2 upon minus 4x square into already 1 upon x square. This will be e. So e raised to limit x tends to 0, 4 minus 4x square upside 7x square plus 2 into 1 upon x square cancel. I'll put x equal to 0. So minus 4 by 2 e raised to minus 2. 1 upon e square is the final answer. 61 correct answer is C. 61 correct answer is C. For 62, I will use the formula limit x tends to infinity 1 plus 1 upon x raised to x, that is e. Same formula we use. Limit x tends to infinity. I will split 5x x plus 4x, so x square plus 4x x square plus x as 3 split in 2 plus 1, so 2, so remaining is 4x plus 1. Here x square plus x plus 2, here x square plus x plus 2 raised to x. Limit x tends to infinity 1 plus 4x upon x square plus x plus 2. After you use reciprocal of this in power, reciprocal of this 4x plus 1 upon x square plus x plus 2. Reciprocal this is x square plus x plus 2 upon 4x plus 1. So I have to multiply by 4x plus 1 upon x square plus x plus 2. X is already multiplied here. So this will be e raised to limit x tends to infinity 4x square plus x upon x square plus x plus 2. When I find the limit of this, you will get 4 by 1, that is e raised to 4. 62 A is the correct answer. Now 63, limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2x, 3 plus cos x upon x tan 4x. 3 plus cos x, directly I can obtain this. Cos 0 is 1, so 4 is outside. Limit x tends to 0. 1 minus cos x is 2 sine square x. X is also already in denominator, so I will multiply with again x. So numerator will multiply with x. So tan 4x. I multiply this 4 by 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 will take outside. Limit x tends to 0. 2 sin x. X into x is x square. So sin x upon x is the whole square. 4x upon tan 4x. This will be 1. 1 into 2 into 1 square into 1. The final answer is 2. C is the correct answer in 63. 63. C is the correct answer. Now one height and distance questions. Very important questions. Limit question very important. 61 very important. Now I tell you what is the very important from beginning. Third is very important. Fourth is very important. Fifth is very important. Sixth, seventh is very important. Eighth is very important. Ninth is very important. 10th is very important, extremely important. 11th is extremely important. 12th is extremely important. 14th is extremely important. 15th is extremely important. 16th is extremely important. 17th is extremely important. 18 extremely important. 19 extremely important. 20 extremely important. 21 method is the very important. 21 method is the very important. 22 is extremely important. 23 is also important. 24 extremely important. 25 extremely important. 26 extremely important. 27 extremely important. I hope 27 I have left it. Okay, I will solve 27. Okay, very big questions. 27 left it. Y square plus 4x, so plus 4y, plus extremely important question number 27. I will multiply both side by 4. Sorry, add with 4. Minus 4x plus 2, minus 2, sorry. This will be y plus 2 whole square. And this is minus 4 common plus 2, x minus 1 by 2, I hope. Right? I will generate the pattern y minus 2 whole square minus 4 x minus alpha, the general pattern of shifted parabola, horizontal parabola, y minus beta to the whole square 4a x minus alpha. So the vertex is alpha beta. Vertex is at 1 by 2 comma minus 2. Minus 2 comma 1 by 2. This is minus 1 by 2 here. Suppose this is 1 by 2. Right? Parallelogram like that. So here 4A is in place of 4A. I have 4. Minus means left side opening. So A is 1. Distance between vertex. Vertex is 1 by 2 comma minus 2. Distance between vertex and directrix is 1. So 1 will be added. So there will be 3 by 2 comma minus 2. So x equal to 3 by 2 is the directrix. So D is the correct answer for 27. For 27, D is the correct answer. So 27 is extremely important. After 27, 30 method is very, very important. All methods are important, but 30 is very, very important method. 31 is extremely important questions. 32 is सब स्वप्निल को बुला दो. Hold on for 1 minute. Hold on for 1 minute. हाँ स्वप्निल बैटरी उतर गया है जल्दी 5%. 5%. Okay. So 31 is extremely important. 32 method is very, very, very important method. 32. 33 is extremely important. 33 is extremely important question. 34 is extremely important question. 35 good concept. 36 is important. 36 is important, but it will not ask directly. The concept is very important for 36. 37 is extremely important. 38 is extremely important. 39 is extremely important. 40 important. 41 extremely important. 42 extremely important. 43 important. 44 important. 45 important. 46 extremely important. 47 extremely important. 48 extremely important. 49 extremely important. 50 the method is very important. 51 the method is very, very, very important. 52 extremely important. 53 extremely important. 54 method is very important. 55 extremely important. 56 method is very important. 57 method is very important. 58 extremely important question as well as concepts. 59 extremely important question as well as concept. 60 important. 61 extremely important. 62 extremely important. 63 extremely important. 64 important, not extremely important. The shadow of the tower, this is the tower. At one time, angle form 60 degree. At the near position, angle will be bigger. At the far positions, angle will be. So when the angle is 60 degree, when angle became 60 degree to 45 degree, the shadow increased by x unit. Shadow increase. The shadow of the tower found to be x meter longer. When the angle of elevation of the sun changes from 60 to 45 degree, the height of the tower, h is height is given. What is the height? 5 times 3 plus root 3. So I will solve by easy method. This is why in front of 60 I have h. So in front of 30 I have h by root 3. So in place of y I should directly write h by root 3. This is the ratio of 1 root 3 2 of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. According to this ratio, we will decide. Then for 45 degree, 1 root 2, 45 degree, 45 degree, 90. So one is 45, the other will be also 45. So whole will be also h. Where h is equal to x plus h by root 3. So h 1 minus 1 by root 3 into x. H root 3 minus 1 upon root 3